Let's make simple Ghanaian dry fish pepper soup or light soup recipe with you. Hello everyone, welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing wonderfully well. In today's video, as I said, I'm making a very simple and very mouth-watering Ghanaian light soup recipe. All you have to do is to trust the process, and you're going to love the entire process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with FUFU. Kindly subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin, I'll start by cooking my vegetable for the soup. So I'll be using some garden eggs, pepper. Next, I'll also go in with some fresh tomatoes. Moving forward, let's go in with 2 medium-sized onions. And I'll also go in with enough water to cook these vegetables very well. Alright, so now it's been cooking for about 20 minutes now, and it's very soft and perfect. All that is left is for me to set this aside, allow it to cool down a little bit before I blend it. So whilst we blend in our vegetables, let's also start with the base of the soup. As I said, I'm going to be using dry fish for this pepper soup, so you can as well use any dry fish or any type of fish of your choice, okay? And since I really want my dry fish to really taste really good, I also add in a little bit of salted beef and also some FUFU to give the soup extra taste. You can also omit it totally. Now let's go in with some chopped onions, tomato paste, and also some salt to taste. Kindly feel free to add in any seasoning of your choice, but this is just perfect, okay? Now let's go in with enough water. I will cover the meat until it's nice and juicy. Alright, so now it's been steaming for about 20 minutes now, and as you can see, it's looking super juicy and very mouth-watering. It smells really good in here. Now we're going to give the soup a very nice stir, and once that is done, I'll cover it and allow it to cook for extra 5 to 10 minutes, and it should be ready. Alright, so we are back after extra 10 minutes, and our soup is looking just perfect. All that is left is for us to go in with our blended vegetables. Whilst the blended vegetables goes in, we will go in with enough water to cook our soup. Always remember as well that the consistency of your soup depends on how thick or light you want the soup to be, okay? So the amount of water always depends on how thick or light you want your soup to be. Alright, so now we're going to give it a very gentle stir, and once that is done, I'll go in with some garden eggs. Yes, I'm going to be enjoying this with FUFU. It is totally optional, alright? But it also gives the soup a very nice taste. So if you haven't tried this before, kindly do, and you're going to love it. Now let's go in with some okra, which is also optional as well, and also some Eden fruit to give the soup extra flavor. Now we're going to cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. At this point, if you haven't still taste for salt, kindly do taste for salt to make sure everything is okay before the soup gets ready. It's very important. Alright, so now let's cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Alright, so now while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, and also do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing video like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now the soup has been cooking for about 30 to 40 minutes now, and as you can see, it's looking super good already, and it's look very mouth-watering. All that is left is for me to enjoy this with my fufu because it is ready. Yes, light soup doesn't take a lot of time, approximately 1 hour with everything, and you are good to go. Now let's serve ourselves and enjoy. So I'm enjoying mine with some yam fufu. You can also enjoy yours with any swallow or any meal of your choice, and you are good to go. Alright, so fam, at this point, let me also know in the comment section what you think about this super delicious Ghanaian dried fish pepper soup or light soup recipe in the comment section, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much for staying with me up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.